Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or create processing fees or service charges on Square. So all you need to do is search for Square and then log in to your account. Make sure you are logged into your account and then go to settings and then account and settings and then go to payments. Scroll down until you see service charges here. Now you can create service charges and then you name it for something like shipping fee or any processing fee that you have with your business, and then you input the amount type. Is it amount or percentage or variable amount or variable percentage? You can choose any which one suits you. For example, I'm choosing amount. You can put it, for example, 5, and then the location on it works on Work Diary, which is my workspace. And then we also have sales tax. If needed, we can create sales taxes, taxable, apportioned taxes, taxable, assigned taxes, or non-taxable. And then we can also select the items that it applies to, and then we hit save, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.